Hey beautiful, and welcome to today's video. Today I have an awesome look for you guys. It's going to be some really cute kind of sultry spring vibe date night vibes. There we go. And with a little bit of, you know, a light foundation, nothing too crazy. I think this is going to be great now that the weather is starting to warm up. We don't need to be layering on all this stuff on our face. Less is more. We have so much beauty inside of us that sometimes we just we kick it on and we just, you know, think that we need a whole shit ton of makeup, but really we don't. And when we can start to embrace ourselves more fully, we just feel better about ourselves, our confidence goes up, and we can just continue to thrive on sis. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is from Appeal Cosmetics. I'll link it in the description. This is my first time using a liquid eyeshadow, so I didn't know whether or not to use a base, so you'll see how it goes. We'll put a little bit of this Ben Nye powder to set this eye first, and then we'll see. So yeah, just do it on like a blank eye. Let's warm these creases up. We're gonna go into, I'm thinking this shade, like these three, this one, and that one. Oh my god, oh, that's such a shame. Don't put anything underneath. Put something, a little bit of glitter or something on top. Use Dara, the splotchiness. And just bring it out a little bit more. I'm just patting it into this shadow. We're just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of, so back to this morning routine. So if you've ever heard of Robin Sharma, he talks about having a holy hour. Tony Robbins talks about having a power hour. And it's because the first hour of your day is the most like impactful, and it can really shape how your entire day goes. And so you want to make sure that you're getting your vibes as high aligned as possible, really getting into the frequencies that you want to be in that day, thinking about how you want to feel throughout the day, what you want to get done, you know, just, you know, the vibes you're trying to be in, you're trying to cultivate. And that like reading something in the morning is really good. Spending about an hour reading a day is like really awesome. Do you know, fun fact, do you know that the average person reads a half a book a year? A half a book. Meanwhile, like CEOs, billionaires, millionaires, they're reading an average of 2 books a month. What? Like, we need to step up our game if we're trying to be having those M's in the bank. That's all I'm saying. Back to that darkest color from the palette. We're just gonna start, I'm gonna pack this right. Oh yes. Oh, I'm about this. Oh, I am about this, honey. Oh, this is gonna be really cute. Ooh, yeah. Like, do you ever have palettes and you like, there's so many colors that you don't ever use? This is one of those colors. Not really doing a whole lot of harsh lines. Gently blending out the edges. So along in this power hour, journaling is really a great part of it. Some introspection, find out how you're feeling, you know, journaling about your dreams. I just switched brushes because I didn't want something as dense as that one. See, I'm just dragging it back and forth really slightly. And this is helping to blend it too. Just really slightly back and forth. And now we're just gonna work on the top a little. Remember to hold your brush like back here too, just so you can get like maximum flexibility. Just want to be really, really light. And even if you like need help with blending, if you can just remember to hold your brush there, that will make it a lot easier. Right into ever so gently, like barely even feeling it. And swivel it out. Gently, gently, gently. So I also like to walk my dog, getting out in nature, which is funny because I'm not like a huge fan of like, you know, well, if there were no bugs outside, then I guess I really wouldn't mind it, but that's kind of what keeps me from exploring the outdoors. Because I really love it, and it's a great way to get in touch with nature and really just become into the present moment. Like, the present moment is all we have, you guys. We spend so much time being anxious, overthinking, you know, living in the past, living too much in the future. Like, I'm guilty of that for sure. But the present moment's all we have. Because everything that we want, it all happens now. Whenever that future moment comes, it's not in the future, it's always now. You know? Now we're gonna go into this one. Just gonna place that right on top. Bring everything, pull everything together. And forward. But the thinner you line it, the longer your eyelashes look. Adding white just makes your eyes look bigger. Okay, so now that we've got lashes on, I'm gonna show you a tool that will really help your lashes go from looking like, you know, they look good, but like looking to like, damn girl. Similar to an eyelash curler, but it's for fake lashes and kind of after you put your lashes on. And then I'm just going to press down slightly, just so we're merging the fake lashes in with the real ones. Wow, look. Look how more natural that looks. I'm gonna use this ColourPop Stick Foundation. This is in Deep Dark. Oh, this is good, okay. So really we're just gonna use it to put on the dark spots. And my nose is kind of uneven, so we are going to set this just with a little bit of the Ben Nye powder today. I'm sorry, not Ben Nye. You know what? Let's mix them. Why not? A little bit of the RCMA and the Ben Nye. Gently pat. I love that we can try things together. Like a lot of the things I did today, I don't normally do, so I'm glad that we got to hang out. Contour with a little bit of powder. This is the L'Oreal True Match powder. Not anything crazy, just on the outsides of the face. And clean up the jaw a little here. Then we're gonna do just a touch of a blush. Oh, orange. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of orange. And go into a little, oh, that's not a little. Grab a little, it's all sparkly in here. A little. That's it for the finished look, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do some lips, but my camera's about to die.